Archaeologist with the Nabatean Research Center. Out here in the Arabian desert, we're tracing the lives of the Nabateans, traders, engineers, and artists who carved cities from stone.
Born of sand and river light, the Babylonian lizard bird walks between myth and memory. Scales that gleam like hammered bronze, wings painted with the sun itself.
My name is Brooks Benefil, and I'm here on a significant journey of wisdom and education to help you understand significant amount of historical data that I'm finding here in the Arabian desert, and I want to start sharing some of it with you and going over what it could be and possibly what it cannot be. And as I continue, I will make adventurous trips to these locations, and hopefully maybe I can share them live or as it happens or when I come back. And so I'm there to collect data based on things I see, to hopefully intrinsically include the country that I'm in based on the things I'm seeing, so they can make good, wise decisions on what needs to happen further. And so here we go. What you're looking at is an image carved into the ground over 300 feet long. I hope to visit this place very soon, because the image you're looking at is a mythological beast from Babylon, a lizard bird, and this is very unique and very exciting. I am not giving away the coordinates to this, and I hopefully whatever we're seeing here, we can have more of an understanding